dito at marami na kami pinakita. But ang tanong, 18, ready na ba kayo for the next? Are you guys ready for next?
Ready na ba kayo?
18, let's get ready for tonight!
Get ready for the night. I've been waiting for this time for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready. I've been waiting for this time for so long. Get ready for the night. Ready for the lights, put the camera relaxing. We go ahead and tap in. Whistle the roof with the diamonds I'm matching. I think it's a happen. I don't wanna be the one to save you, but facts might change you. Different angles, just a little sample, just a little beautiful. Lord have mercy. Only take time and love. Let me know that overcame. Just a little more, and I can be the one that you catch those fights that I feel it. So baby, tell me how to live it. Don't let go. It's not let up. Let's take it all. I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. 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 I ain't giving a rest, I'm giving you sacrifice, and you're talking to the Father. If you never love your life, I'll get you to a pillar where you like. Tonight, night, night, night. Oh, baby, penthouse life we're living, and we can't strike that feeling. And I can break it down, down, down if you will it. And I can be the one. And she keeps those vibes with that feeling. So baby, tell me how we live it. Go, go. Ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Let's go. Taste it. That's right, baby. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night, 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 night. Get ready for the night.
Hey, dude, let's give it up for Apple
Make some noise for SB19. Make some noise for yourselves.
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Grabe, sobrang special ng araw na to, guys. Pinakitaan tayo ng dance moves. After that, it's an honor po to be with this, to be with stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend. Yes.
With the legend.
Maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys.
represent our culture around the world. So,
Alam niyo guys, ang masasabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Pilipino! Pilipino! Pilipino!
hoy pare, pakinggan mo ko. Ito na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pagbago, pumunta ng LA ng trabaho para makatulong sa nanay dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Pero masaya pa rin ang kulay pag kumain ay gagamay. Yung kanin, sige na doko! Yung pala pinipenta sa kanto, tagay mo na nga ang baso para ko inuman na tayo. Pilipino! 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 Bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino!
Filipino! Filipino! Filipino! Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig niyo ba yung song na perform namin? Narinig niyo? Naku, abangan niyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple Diab collaboration. Again, everyone, let's give a hand for round of applause for Sir Apple Diab! Thank you so much, Sir Apple! Thank you so much. Nabulol ako. Grabe ako.
Ano ba, 18?
Thank you so